China Harbour employee killed by gunman. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An employee of China Engineering Company was shot by a gunman while ordering food at a cook shop near his workplace in 10 miles Bull Bay, St. Thomas on Friday. A licensed firearm holder who was at the cook shop challenged the gunmen, and one was reportedly shot and injured. The police have identified the employee as Rohan Hayes, age 44, from Albion Heights in Yallas in the parish. It is understood that Hayes doubles as a construction worker and also as a security guard for the company. Up to late Saturday evening, police said that they have not established a motive for the taking out. It is reported that at around 1:30 p.m., Hayes went to the corner shop along the roadway. While he was in the process of ordering food, he was pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. The gunmen then fled the area after they were challenged by a licensed firearm holder, the police have stated. The police were then alerted and Hayes was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Links 007 TV News Report will track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.